Right, John, Katie, Sean, Chainsaw Man. What happened in the last episode of Chainsaw Man, Katie?
So it was essentially the entire episode was just him fighting the weird slug devil thing, wasn't it? What did they say it was the leech devil, didn't they? I got that right, didn't I? Yeah, because the leech devil and the bat devil had like a thing. Obviously it makes sense because they both like suck blood and that.
Yep. Bonding.
Vile things. Yeah, so it's basically Denji just... The issue was because he had used his chainsaws to fight the bat devil, he struggled to use it again because he hadn't... he obviously lost a lot of blood, so he couldn't just, straight away use his chainsaws again. So he had like a little one coming out of his face, didn't he?
Yep.
Lost an arm. The leech devil just ate his arm.
Yep.
As you do. Yeah, but he still did well though. He still, did some damage.
Yeah.
Power was like just completely immobilized. She couldn't move. Meowie's okay though. Meowie lived. So they've been reunited. Then what happened? Aki turned up, right, and he did this like weird like too sweet thing, and a big wolf came and fox.
Summoned the fox devil.
Yeah,
He's sacrificing bits of his body to summon the fox devil.
Because he's got a contract with it, hasn't he? Which is weird.
And then Makima?
Makima.
Is that her name? Makima moved power in with Aki and Denji. It turns out she is worse than both the men. Doesn't flush the toilet.
Yeah. Well,
uses all of the toilet roll.
Because in something...
She eats his special sandwiches.
Yeah.
She has the cat.
Yeah, because remember someone kindly commented on one of our videos the difference between her and Denji. It's like Denji, Pachita like basically took over his heart, but Denji still has control. It's still his personality and him in the body. Whereas for Power, it's the blood devil inside of a dead body. Yeah. So it's all just that devil.
Yeah.
So it's just different personalities, isn't it?
Yeah, right. So let's watch. This is episode 5.
Like, I wonder if she can just like control people's blood. Oh yeah, and it's gonna end with.
Oh yeah,
he's
finally getting his grope. Just breathe. This is what you've done all the fighting for. Really? Oh. What was that?
Did she pat up?
Oh, poor Denji. He doesn't seem phased. The final fondling. What's going on? He's handled it fairly well. Right, so we've met Denji. In that bit there, we've met Denji, Aki, Power,
Makima.
And Makima. That was with the 4. We haven't met that one yet.
Oh, that one. On the eye patch. Or that.
Is the one with the horns? Is that Power?
Yeah.
Does Power have horns?
How have you not noticed the horns?
No idea.
What are you
doing?
Are you still holding on to the theory that Makima is somehow mind controlling them?
Yeah. She's a devil who can do something. I think she can manipulate.
She's the brain devil. Maybe she's just like really good at manipulating people. She might not even be a devil.
No.
She might just know how to like
Maybe. You never know.
これうまいの。おかわり欲しいの。食うならよこせ。
お前。
今日はどこに悪魔を殺しに行くんじゃ。おい。
I can tell they're going to be friends.
Yeah. Now she knows that he's not just a human, so they probably will get along better.
Chop him. Yeah, he's handled it remarkably well.
書類ばっかりで嫌だね。コウモリの悪魔を倒したのに悪いことしたみたい。
It's not very often that you see stuff like this.
何か悩みでもあるの？
Usually, like, the heroes just kill the bad guy and that's it.
Yeah.
You never see them do the paperwork.
俺はずっと追いかけていたもんをやっと掴んだんです。
What was it?
いざ掴んでみるとそんなもんは。
デンジ君は何の話をして
I've seen a lot of people cosplaying as her.
初めて胸を揉んでみたらなかったって話。
Just telling her.
How you just didn't have something to use?
デンジ君、エッチなことはね、相手のことを理解すればするほど気持ちよくなれると。最初は手をじっくり観察してみて。指の長さはどれくらい？
Okay.
手の
What
ひ
are
ら
we
は
watching?
I don't know.
冷たい？温かい？指を噛まれたことはある？覚えて。デンジ君の目が見えなくなっても、私の噛む力で
Pull yourself
私が
together.
わかるくらいに。覚えて。
覚えました。
Bobo's got no game whatsoever. What is happening?
お願いがあるんだけど、いいかな？
はい。
Now would seem the appropriate time.
10の悪魔を倒してほしいの。すべてのデビルハンターが殺したがっているとっても強い悪魔。私ね、デンジ君なら殺せると思うんだ。君は他のデビルハンターの誰よりも私が君の願い事何でも一つ叶えてあげる。
デンジ君が10の悪魔を殺せたら、
You're Denji.
何でも一つ叶えてあげる。デンジ君が10の悪魔を殺したら、マキマさんが願い事何でも一つ叶えてあげるっつうことですか？何でもって、例えば
何でもだよ、デンジ君。
お、すげえ。なことあってもいいんですか？
そんなことあってもいいくらい
This weird
強くて
stuff.
悪い悪魔なの。
その家のなんと大きかったことでしょう。都会のネズミの家族は
外でキャッチボールしてよ。
太陽の具合が良くないんだ。一人でできる遊びをしなさい。
そんなのい
Said
つ
it was
も
in
だ。
America?
太陽が元気な時なんてないじゃん。
お兄ちゃんなんだから我慢して一人で遊びなさい。
Didn't that look like Aki?
Maybe.
The older one. Him.
Did say his family was killed by a devil,
つ
didn't
い
it?
てくんなよ。うざい。ついてくんなよ。キャッチボールなら手冷たくならないだろう。家からグローブ取ってこい。
Oh, he's sending back to the house, but he's not gonna go, is he? I think that is Aki, isn't it?
Yeah, will be. What?
5分弱で120万人を殺した後、
1.2 million
10の
people.
悪魔は今日まで姿を消してい
So
る。
it's the gun devil that killed him. Killed his family.
恐怖が高まっ
I wonder wonder what it looks like.
すべ
What
て
it
の
looks
悪
like.
魔が以前よりも力
I mean,
が
that was
強
like
く
a
なった
massive explosion, wasn't it?
デンジ君なら倒せると思う？
まあなんていうか俺がすっげえドカンと頑張れば大丈夫いでしょ。
それ
Yeah.
ならまずは10の悪魔を見つけなきゃだね。これは集めた10の悪魔の肉片。移動速度が速すぎて体が少し焦げ落ちたみたい。
Just from moving.
悪魔がこの肉片を食べると10の悪魔の力でどんな悪魔でも力を増すの。
Oh.
ほらくっついた。元の体の場所に戻ろうとするみたい。だからこの肉片をもっと大きくすれば10の悪魔にたどり着く。
見つけました。
やっぱり10野郎の肉片食べてたか。
Oh, so all the other
めっ
devils,
ちゃ強かったからな。
all the other devils trying to
Tabeta.
eat bits of the gun now, get stronger.
その先に奴がいる。
Yeah, it was him.
公安に悪魔の
Oh,
駆除要
bless
請
him.。
ホテル内部で悪魔の目撃。ホテルの宿泊者の生存不明。
A
駆除
hotel
に当たっ
devil.
た民間のデビルハンター複数人が死亡。おそらく
A Hoover
10
devil
の
or
悪魔の
something.
肉片を食べている悪魔です。
A reception devil. Oh no, we did meet. Did we not? We did meet the other one with the eye patch. Was he not part of the wolf, the fox?
ただの悪
Devil.
魔じゃない。銃の肉片を食べた悪魔がいる。銃の悪魔本人がいるんじゃねえの？お前ら、敬語はどうした？あ？何の得もねえのに誰がてめえに敬語使うかよ。早川先輩。
God, they're just like children.
こいつじゃねえな。
早川先輩、これから一緒に悪魔と戦う仲間です。
今回の悪魔を倒した人にはなんと私がほっぺにキスしてあげまーす。
そんなこと結婚前の乙女がそんなみだらな。
ご褒美あった方がやる気出るでしょ。
What's up with all these like workers?
I
They're
know.
just trading their bodies.
Seems like a HR nightmare.
俺は初めての銃は誰にするか決めてんだ。その人のために肉片だかなんだかを集めてよ。銃の悪魔を
Do you think the rest of them are like, I wonder who he's talking about?
アキくんの前でそれを言うか。
それに俺は大切なことを教わった。エッチなことは理解し合った人間同士でするから気持ちがいいんだ。
Sex stuff.
名前も知らねえあんたの唇には興味ないね。
ベロを入れたキスしてあげる。
This place desperately needs a HR manager.
Oh my
男の
god.
子からかうのが一番面白いや。
As if it's this easy to motivate them.
姫野先輩に鍛えられ世話になった。それをどう
Oh, bless him.
に唇を奪われるくらいなら、ほっぺのキスは俺がもらう。
アキくんはこの新人4人生き残れると
Do you remember any of those three names? Kubini.
こいつは強いなと思ったやつ。
The little one's Kubini.
1年あれば死ぬか民間に行きます。
Himeno is the one with the eye
思う
patch.
ようになってないな。アキくんは死なないでね。
Okay. I'll be like, okay, try my best. Ah, these are the 1.2 million that died.
私のバディ、君で6人目。全員死んでるの。使えない
So
と
she
ころだから
was
全員死んだ。
she was there before Aki.
アキくんは死なないでね。
A toilet devil.
Oh. Oh, it's a head and a foot and a hand. Oh dear me.
Ah.
Oh, I don't like it.
捕まえた。私は幽霊の悪魔と契約してるの。
The ghost
私の
devil.
右目を食べさせた代わりにゴーストの右手を使えるってわけ。
Oh, that's
私の
cool.
ゴースト透明で力持ちで便利でしょ。
Oh, that's cool.
めんどくさいから仲良くやろうよ。
Isn't that the blood from the hand, head, foot devil?
どうした？
俺たち今8階から9階へ行く階段を登りましたよね。ここも8階ですよ。
Oh, that's cool.
新井くん、今
Alright.
階段降りていったよね。
Jesus.
She seems very panicked at all times, doesn't she?
I know.
Poor Kabini.
That's interesting. So they're caught in like a loop.
No.
Oh god, this show. What is this show?
It's so weird. So strange. I have to say, Denji's one of the stranger protagonists I've ever experienced.
I mean, it's. I still feel like Makima's just.
There's something
I
about her,
don't
isn't
know
there?
if she's. If it's like she's. This as a power that she's using to manipulate them, or maybe she has a contract with the devil that they aren't aware of, and so she's somehow able to control them.
Yeah. I can't fully tell if it's trying to make it seem like she has a power, or if they're trying to make it seem like she's just that manipulative.
Cause yeah, it seems like she seems like she's got a hold on Aki.
Yeah.
It
Aki
seemed
likes her. Yeah.
power seemed to like just do what she said straight away without any kind of thought.
Mm. And obviously Denji's a little simp.
Yeah. It's like she like knows them. She like learns like Denji just straight up told her his goals,
Yeah.
and
touch
she
boob.
just like.
Yeah.
She just like annihilated him. It's like I can't tell if she's got power or if it's just she's just really really good.
Yeah. I suppose we'll find out. This show seems like it's very sex orientated, isn't it? It's just what everything seems to be. They need a HR department. That'll probably be what season 2
I know.
is.
I mean, people like just creating contracts with devils, giving bits of the body away, cutting out their eyes, and you know,
Fondling each other in the office when they're supposed to be doing paperwork
Yeah.
with stamps. But they're fondling each other. Yeah.
Jeez.
Tell us some stuff down in the comments. Don't spoil anything though. We like to sort of experience it as it's happening. Like the video, subscribe, ding the bell to be notified when we upload. We upload every day. Anything else you want to say?
It is cool. I wonder how like, cause stuff like this, like creating the devils, you could just pick anything, couldn't you? Like a dog devil. Imagine a dog devil.
Nah.
I would want a contract with
I'm
a
pretty
dog
sure
devil.
we have a dog devil. Like we have 2 of them.
Or like what would you make like a bird devil that you could fly or something like that? Like
What would you? Do you mean like?
if you would like creating a show and you would want to think of cool like new devils, like what would you go for? They've had bat, gun,
Something
chainsaw,
something obscure like the fear devil.
the dream devil. Essentially just the boogeyman though, isn't it?
Do you remember that guy in Charmed who used to do this? Your fears became real. That's essentially the fear devil, isn't it? Yeah.
Oh, it would. I don't know.
Was he called Barbus or something?
I don't even
He would just
remember.
go.
It's been so long.
Water. Yeah,
Like
something like
what
that.
would you?
The Star Wars devil.
Oh my god.
Yeah, just turn myself into a giant lightsaber.
Like the water devil. That'd be cool. Imagine if you could control water. Like I feel like power. Like there's so much to her power. Like the blood devil.
Would you not just say, instead of just being like the water devil, would you not just say like the elemental devil?
Yeah. They'd probably, if they were to do something like that, they'd probably split it, wouldn't they? So that there was like.
I just want it to be all of them.
Yeah. Well. Yeah. I feel like water would be my first choice.
It would just be terrible though, wouldn't it? Because if you went for a wee, you would probably like just an ocean would exit you. If you sneezed, a landfall would come out of your nose. You know, don't even get me started on farting, burping. Do you know what I mean? Oh my word.
My point I was making, but like
Real
power, so she's
heartburn.
the blood devil. So do you reckon she can just like control other people's? Like, could she just like drain someone from like up from their blood,
Don't know.
or is it like just her own? Because if that was the case, she would be like extremely powerful, wouldn't she?
Yeah.
She can just like manipulate other people's blood.
So she yeet people. Suppose we'll find out.
Who knows?
Yeah.
Who knows?
Thank you for watching.